In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to conduct an SEO audit with WisperSEO. Hi, I'm Sven from WisperSEO. If you are struggling with optimizing your content for SEO, this video walks you through exactly what you need to do to get your articles on the first page of Google and other search engines. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is from your WisperSEO dashboard, navigate to Page Audit from the left menu. Once the audit page is loaded, start off by first entering the keyword you are targeting, i.e., the search term you want to rank for. Next, enter the URL to the page you want to audit. Once that is done, you can click the Run Analysis button. You also have the option to scan your sitemap for internal link recommendations, but for this, you will need to toggle the internal link suggestions switch, then enter your sitemap with the links to your posts or pages. Once you are satisfied, you can proceed to run the analysis. Once the analysis is completed, it will be displayed in the Analysis History section. Clicking on an analysis will open the report. On the report page, the first section is the optimization score. Here, you will be able to visualize your page against your competitors in terms of optimization rating. The second section displays the content title. Any issues found will be displayed here. The third section is the meta description. Same as the title, issues found will be displayed here in orange. Next, there is the headings. Any headings found in your content should show up here, however. In some rare cases, the sum extraction properties may fail. After that, we have the content length section. Here you can compare your content word count to your competitor's content word count to ensure your content is optimized above the average. The image keyword section displays any images found in your content that doesn't contain alt text, so you can rectify it. The next section, Suggested Backlinks, display our recommendations for backlink outreach based on sites that link to your competitors. Reach out to these sites to see if you can score some fresh backlinks. Now for the AI sections. The AI Content Rater analyzes your content based on Google recommendations and SEO best practices. It checks for search intent alignment, Google EEAT issues, helpful content alignment, and more. Any issues found will be displayed here after the analysis is complete, along with recommendations on fixing them. And finally, the Content Optimization Brief section. In this section, you will find recommendations based on topics discussed in your competitors' articles, but not in yours. Use these recommendations to update your articles with relevant content that aligns with your users. These topics are actual topics that your competitors are discussing in their articles, not made-up ChatGPT guesses. That's it. There you have a proven system and tool to strategically optimize your content based on your competitors and Google's requirements. As time goes by, you will see more ranking factors added to the tool, as well as smarter AI optimization recommendations. Now go out and rank some content.